Right, sir?
Yeah. I just want to ask you how much an iPhone 11 battery would cost.
35.
Okay, yeah, not too bad. Okay, I'll put it in.
No worries.
Do you do it on the same day? Or?
Yeah, same day. In 20 or 30 minutes.
Oh, nice. Okay, then, yeah. I'll be back soon.
No worries, sir. Cheers. Bye-bye. Are you right, sir?
It is safe to do, isn't it? It won't damage the phone at all. But...
It won't damage. Yeah. Just take a seat, or if you want, you can go for coffee.
Yeah.
All done, sir? You have a 6-month warranty of the battery.
Right.
If you have any issues with the battery, just keep the receipt with you. This is your receipt.
Brilliant.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Right.